Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend and are ready for a cracking week. Today we are going to decorate the embellishment that we did last week. All the links are down below, so if you missed the video, don't worry. We're going to use some Tim Holtz paper dolls and create some cute embellishments. I hope you guys like it and you will follow along. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Last week we've made together this one here, these tickets here, and I will put the link of the video down below. So I thought, what can we make with this? I thought, why don't we try to make some altered playing cards? Let me just move these. This is the stamps I used. Jamie bought me this for Christmas. Never used. Love them from Amazon. I'll not put any links, guys, because I don't work on affiliate marketing, so I don't tend to put links on my channel. Let me just zoom out. So what I thought we will do, I have a couple of ideas in my head. I want to use up the Tim Holtz paper dolls as well. This year is all about use what you got. These were from Topology when I did a video collaboration with them. So what I thought we will do, I have an idea in my head. Let me see if it works. So let's get a card. We're gonna use some of this trim. So we're gonna make some clusters, and then we're gonna use the tickets we just made. Now I would like to use some washi tape. So this is my box of washi tape. So, but I wanted to make them quite, like, I want to use, for example, colors that will go together but also to clash as well. So, but I don't know if it's gonna work. Definitely I need a bigger piece than that. Lesson number one, use loads of washi tape. So what I might do, I'm going to use the washi because it's quite effective, but also I'll staple it. In fact, I will staple it first, and then I'm going to cover the stapler with the washi tape. Let's do a bit of cheating. So, no, we don't cheat, but yeah. So this is what's kind of like in my head. Okay, and then what I thought we will do, we will put, I don't know if I want all this to see. Okay, going to put, I do prefer the staple on top of this, all the masking tape. I can't speak English this morning, so you need to bear with me, guys. Apologies. Washi tape. Yeah, and then we put that lovely little boy. So I'm just going to use some double side tape. I'm not going to use glue because I learned a lesson a while ago when we did together the journal. Glossy papers and glue don't like one another. So that's one. What do you guys think? Very simple. But what I've got here, I've got some book pages, because what I was thinking as well, but I don't know if it's going to work. Let's try. So, oops. I only want you to see the actual text. I don't want any white, any blank parts. Okay, so let me see, get another card. Because I still want you to see the card. Perfect. Like that. What do you guys think? That, and then we put one of these. In fact, could do with something a bit smaller. Not sure what. I think we're gonna chop. I might not use this. I think with this project we need something a bit smaller. Oh yeah, I like that. So just gonna staple this. And then what washi tape should we use? Should we use this one here? Where is the end? The washi tape, completely optional, but it just gives it that little extra texture. And then we need something small. Oh no, I dropped the boy. So a lot of these tea molds, oh, I got some, ooh, definitely gonna use them. Oh, what luck. Is there any more treats in there? Ooh, let's use this as well. I think I need small pieces like that. That is a bit too big. Let me get a couple of small pieces. And then I'm just gonna speed it up because it will be the same principle, guys, and it's gonna be very boring. So my aim is by December 2024 this will be gone. Watch my words. I'm gonna use up everything this year. Everything. No, I think I might stick with one. Okay, and then I think we're gonna use her. Oh, she's got another piece there. What do we got? What do we think? So get some double side tape. Will I rebuy the Timos dolls? Yes, but I think could do a smaller pack because the bigger pack lasts forever. So I suppose it's a good thing. Number 2. So I'm just gonna speed it up now. We're gonna make a few together. Okay guys, so let me show you the card. Sorry about the glare. So this is one, and because there was that little pink in there, I just put some pink washi tape. So that's one. Then that's her, number 2. Then it's number 3, the sassy boy. Look how sassy it is. And I tried to position in the boy in line with that little ticket there. And again, because there was a lot of blue on the background, I just put that really nice teal washi tape. And I have used some of the, well, half of the die cut piece. Then that's another one. And that is another one. So again, just an idea, guys, to play with scraps and to play with what you have. And yeah, I hope I give you some ideas. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge, big, fabulous thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and crafty friends too. I will put a link on a video in just a second when we made a journal using some Tim Holtz paper. So if you guys need some more ideas and inspiration, I will appreciate if you watch the next video. Thank you so much, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye!